Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to my channel today where I will be unboxing an iPhone 11. I'll show you all the stuff it comes with, and as I'm unboxing it, I'll tell you all the specs. The phone came out about 2 months ago, September 20th, and I myself decided to get this purple one, but they do come in 5 other colors: green, black, white, red, and yellow. Come in 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, and 256. And this one in particular is 128 gigabytes. So without further ado, let's get it started. So got the nice little presentation on the box, and there is the phone. All right, so all the stuff that it comes with: you got a regular charger, you've got your lightning headphones, and your regular USB cable. But all the phones come with all that stuff, so there's no need for this. So the phone itself, it's a glossy purple on the back, and the camera itself in this area right here, it's got a matte finish. Let's see if we can take a look right there. Sorry for the glare there, but yeah, it's got a matte finish around the camera lenses, and this panel is glossy. Dual speakers. Well, there's one speaker here, and the other speaker is through the earpiece. It's got USB lightning cable, or lightning port for charging. So now the phone has 2 cameras. They're two 12 megapixel cameras. One's ultra wide, one's wide. The aperture on the ultra wide camera is 2.4. It's got a 120 degree field of view. The wide camera is a 1.8 f1.8 aperture, and it's got 2x optical zoom out and up to 5x digital zoom. Now they're capable of recording 4K video at 24, 30, or 60 frames per second, or 1080 video at 30 or 60 frames. The wide camera has optical image stabilization, and on your front camera, you actually have a 12 megapixel camera there, which can actually also take 4K front video at 24, 30, or 60 frames per second, and slow motion videos, which I'll call them slofies. To be honest with you, I think slofies is a cool name. Slofies it is. So you got slow motion video in the front to take those cool slofies. You still have animojis, you still have memojis. It's IP68 splash water and dust resistance. It's got a 6.1 inch screen, and it's powered by an A13 Bionic chip. So let's turn it on. There we go. Nice little Apple logo. So I'm going to get it booted up. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll return after I put in some of my information and get it up and running. Alright, so that's the main screen. I mean, it's just like any iPhone screen. iPhone kind of keeps it standard here. It's a TV app, which now, if you get any new iPhone, you'll get a year of Apple TV Plus, which I myself will review later on as well. So nothing special here, just the usual, Apple apps that it comes with and everything like that. And later on I'll have a video with a review on Apple TV Plus subscription, and my thoughts on the phone after using it for a little bit. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. So give me a like if you liked the video, and leave a comment below. Give me some feedback, and I'll see you next time.